In today's video, I want us to take a deep dive into BOME Book of Memes. This meme coin is one of the biggest meme coin in the crypto space with the most liquidity, but it's bleeding down, 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 down. It's simple to guess what is going on. Bitcoin is actually what is going on in the space. Bitcoin is not giving us the signal for us to get some profit out of these meme coins. We have seen all meme coins out there. I say all meme coins out there not doing good. So Boomer Book of Memes is not exempted from the dip that has been going on recently. But the question we should be asking ourselves is, can Boomer Book of Memes bounce back to the next all-time high, like go right up to about 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion? Does it mean coin have what it takes to bring us that gains from where it is right now? I think, yeah, this meme coin have what it takes, because if we look at the liquidity alone, it's at 41 million. The FGV is 232 million and the cap is 232 million. So looking at the liquidity alone, guys, that's awesome. And the volume, even though we have seen low volume for most meme coins, we can see that Boomer Book of Memes has 4 million volume at this point in time. And that's awesome, guys. If say you have volume, I think usually when you start seeing 6 million, 7 million, then it means it's good. But 4 million is not bad as compared to other meme coins that are just below a million. So this is actually a good volume for us to consider that there are people who are actually trading or investing in this coin. Now, if we drop down to, let's just go first to the weekly time frame. Let's see where we are on the macro level. Now we have broken our key level here that I've always mentioned in my previous videos. This was that key area here that we break to the downside. So for us to consider ourselves back to normal, we need to break above this zone that I'm marking right now. So Boomer need to do something like this. We need to make a huge move to the upside. Let me mark this properly so you can see what I'm trying to do here. So you have to do something like this, break above, come and retest. So that's where we are buying, or if say you want to be like you are crazy, you want to just take the risk. This thing can keep going down, down, down. Looking at where we are right now, it can still keep going down right to this level. And even if I mark this zone like this, you can see that we still have lots of liquidity down here. Like, we don't know what can happen. This was just the first week up. We have not retested these zones the below price, so I don't know. Price can still keep going down, 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 and if possibly recover half of this move here. So let's just say the worst case scenario, if say we are to see price keep going down, let me just try and see if I can mark the middle, so we can see price go right down towards this area. I'm going to confirm this with the volume profile or the Fibonacci tool. So let's just mark it from here. Let's just assume that that's the area where they could take price to if say price keep being bearish. Now let me bring in this tool here, this fib tool, block it from the bottom to the top. So you can see, like, again, yeah, I mean, you can see clearly yeah, that they can still bring price here, even though I'm not seeing it clearly. Yeah, it's not showing me because of the way there's not like real volume. Yeah, but looking at the way price move or price move from different project or in the past, usually price recover half of the candle. So that's why I think maybe price could recover half of this candle. Let me just say from where we are right now to this level. So this should be the level that they can bring price to. Yeah, so this is the level that they can bring price to. Yeah, that's half of that candle. And let me just see if say this is in correspondence with the volume profile. I don't know if that's gonna give me an actual. Let's see if that's the case. No, it's not giving me any real data, and this is not good. If say you don't have real data on the chart, it's not really good on this weekly time frame. Yeah, again, they can still bring price down. Let me see if say that's the case. We are talking about how many percent downward from where price is right now. That's about 1x or now 70% 71% downward. Yeah, if Bitcoin becomes so crazy, they can take us even at least half of that, maybe 40% and something like that. But for us to say we are safe again, like safe to buy, knowing that we can go and attempt the next high, then we have to target this level, yeah, this zone I mark. We have to break above there, then come here, retest this. Price should move here at least multiple times, a little bit, from where we are right now to where I want us to price to go. Let's say from that zone, from where we are right now towards that area, that's gonna be around yeah, about 80% to the upside. So if say you you wanna take that risk, you can make 80% from where price is right now to the upside. That's something doable. I think Boomer can do that. And yeah, I mean, this coin has eaten most of our gains that we made in the past. I didn't sell anything from Boomer, but I've been making some money already from Boomer before I lose. Let me not say I lose money because I'm still holding it. I believe in the project long term. So what I invested in it is something I can afford to lose. So if you keep going down, 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 it's okay. It's not gonna be mean something to me. But I want to make some gains, of course. Even though I say this, but at the same time, I want to make some gains, and also want my followers, those who follow me, to make money from this. I've shared this with my VIP community. I know most of them are holding it, and I'm going to tell you guys that if you are already holding it to this level, just keep holding it. This is one of the top meme coins in the space with high liquidity. Binance is fully behind this meme coin. Binance have the most liquidity. Yeah, so we just have to keep hoping that there's gonna be some development within this project that's gonna take it to the next level. But again, I cannot confirm that. I cannot be certain with what I'm saying. All I can say to you is based on the data I'm seeing in front of me, like the volume, the cap, and the listing on major exchanges like Binance and other platforms. So I think overall, looking at price action, I would say we are looking at Bome at a zone where we can say is a buy. Like for those of you who already bought at the top, or maybe you bought where I drew this zone here. This it should be resistance zone. So if price is gonna get to that level, it's gonna be resistance, and if price break the resistance, it's gonna become support. Now if we drop down to the daily time frame, let's see. If say we can also analyze something here on the daily time frame to give us more perspective on what is going on. So looking at this time frame, it's pretty obvious that if say we want to get the best out of this movement, we can bring in our Feb tool. I think in this case it's gonna stick. You can mark it like this. If say you have to buy it, then the target is gonna be around this 0.382, and that's gonna be an awesome zone to cash out profit. And I think if we're gonna see some minor recovery, then Boomer is gonna go straight to this level there, and that's the how many percent profit from where we are right now. That's gonna be around nine. That's the 1x. Yeah, gonna make 1x, and I think this is doable. This is doable. Boomer can just recover straight. You can take one day and make 40%. The next day, recover everything back to the zone. Then retrace and keep holding around this area. But again, for us to be certain, price have to go up here around this level, hold this zone. I don't know how far price gonna go, but price should hold this zone here that I mentioned, this area here. Price should hold, and if price gonna hold that area, then we can consider that maybe this is the moment to get in full time. But you can take that risk, yeah, trust me, because of the data I mentioned about the coin, and also because we have started seeing green candles. But the green candles is not really something different or spiritual. Why? Because this is the main structure that price need to break. This one here is the main structure here. If price break above this structure here, then that's when we can confirm we are back in an uptrend, or we have broken structure. But if say price is not able to break this structure, then we are still in a downtrend. We can say that there's a minor structure. Yeah, let's say if price is able to make it way, yeah, which price can do. Let me just see how many percent that's gonna be. For example, from where we are right now to, yeah, that's 27%. I think this could happen as well. This is something that is doable. Now, maybe this week or next week. Well, it's something which can happen. We can see it just make like this in 2 hours and print us that gains. But all I'm trying to say to you guys is this project is still good, despite the fact that what is going on in the market is affecting the coin. Every coin is feeling the hits in the market, so we should expect that something will happen to altcoin that is going to take most of its meme coins that are down to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at on the daily time frame, and if I drop to the 4 hours time frame, we can see that on this time frame still similar thing is going on here. We can still make money on this time frame. If you want to trade solely on this time frame, you can wait for break of this trend here. If price break this trend, if and price will test the trend, so price should do something like this. If price break above this trend, come back and retest it, hold for long, then you can take the price to this high here, and that's going to be equal to the 27% I mentioned earlier. So these are doable price actions because we are talking about lower time frame. They can do this. You can monitor this on the 4 hours time frame. If you see break of structure like this and with test of structure, you want to buy, then take it to the upside. I think if say it holds around this key area, then you're gonna take us to around this zone. So that's what I'm looking at for BOME. And guys, if say you want to learn TA, you want to learn how to analyze the market, fundamentals, technical analysis, then I can teach you in my one-on-one session for beginners. There, I teach you everything TA, fundamentals. I help you to understand market structure, when to buy, support and resistance, how to look at the market on the macro and micro perspective. So if this interests you, make sure you go below this video. There are links there where you can first of all join my free Telegram group. Then you can ask me there that you want to be part of my education group. Then I'm going to tell you how to get involved. But first of all, go to the description of this video, get the link, join the Telegram group, and from there, we're going to take it to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this content if you got some value. Having said all this, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.